Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these Easter egg holders. So the first thing you need to do is go to Cricut Design Space and upload your file. Now I brought this file from Design Bundles. You need to check on there the sizes that you need depending on whether you want to be able to pop a cream egg in it or a Kinder egg or any other style egg. Today's tutorial I'm going to do it so it would fit a Cadbury's cream egg. So it will come in just like this, and then you would change the size to whatever you would want. And I want to personalise mine, so as you can see they're all grouped together. So first thing we need to do is just ungroup it, okay? And I'm going to pop the feet over to one side because this is where I'm going to personalise, okay? And then you just go to text, and then we're going to go to filter, and then we're going to go to writing, okay? And these will bring up the writing fonts. And then you just need to look through, have a little browse to find out which one that you like. I like one called, I think it's called Dandelion. Yep, this one, okay? And then you just pop in the text box what you would like to write. Okay. Now as you can see at the top here it says basic cut. Now we need to change this to pen. And what that would do is it will draw this design out, okay? So I want to make it smaller and I'm going to zoom in, okay? Make it the size that you would like it to be. Just pop it over to your design, have a little play around with the size you would like, okay? Just needs to be moved over a little tiny bit more, okay? And I'm going to duplicate because I want it on both feet. You can have a little play, you can have it turned the other way, or I want it turned just this way. Okay? And then when you're happy with this, you just highlight. You just put a box around it and press attach. Okay? And the same for this foot. Highlight, attach. Now what that does means is that that's going to be drawn onto the feet, okay? Now all you need to do now is just press make it, okay? It tells you here the colour mats. So this says a white mat for the white eyes, orange, and you can just play around with it. So you can move this, reposition it like so it's here. So then you know you can just cut your card out, 5 by 8. It tells you here how much card. So just make sure you measure so you're not wasting too much card or anything like that. And then you just need to press the continue button, pop your pen in clamp A or whatever clamp that you pop your pen in, and then I'll see you on the craft mat. Okay, so now we've cut them out and we've peeled it off our mat very carefully. Remember to turn your mat over and bend your mat back whilst you peel it off. Otherwise your card will be like all bowed. So all I'm going to use to put this together is just simple glue stick. That's all I'm going to use. So you've got the front part of the chick, the back part, the legs, the feet and the beak, the eyes of the black, and you can't see it on the camera but there's 2 white dots there as well for the pupils, and then the egg holder. So the first thing that you do is you take this part and you've got some like score lines. All you do is you just fold this, just bend it over so that they're facing downwards, okay? Same for the other side. Squeeze it, bend it over so they're facing downwards, okay? And just pop that down. And now we're just going to assemble the front part of the chick, okay, which is this part. This is the back. So we just pop this to one side. Take our glue. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the beak. So you just get the first part. Now, I never glue directly onto here. Sometimes I use the paper, but if it's just the small parts, I just pop this on top of my glue stick and I just run it across. It can be a little bit messy, but it wipes off, okay? And then position this into place. Now, the way that you can tell how to know if it's straight is this top part of the beak that goes over would be in line with the headpiece. Okay? So then you just pop it down, push it into place, and then you get the smaller piece. Same again, rub it on the stick. And it just goes below the beak line. Okay, so there's a little gap between it. Okay, I'll bring this up to the camera. So there's a little gap between the beak. Just play it around. Okay, the glue dries clear, so don't worry about the blotches. And then we go for the eyes. Again, black dot. Pop it between, you got the little dinks on the side of the beak. Just go opposite, go up, across. Same for the other one. Okay. And you can put little marks there if you want to get it exactly straight. And then the white parts, you might need your weeder just to help you get this off the finger onto position. And then I've stuck that at the top left hand side. Same again, you just use your weeder. There we go. And the same for the feet. Make sure that the writing is dry. My one's dried pretty quick. Same again, I just pop that on top of the glue stick. Oops. It just goes with the shape, so on that side. And then same again for this one. On this side. Beautiful. And now what we need to do, I'll just lift this up to the camera so you can see. Okay, now you can just wait till that's dry, pop it to one side, and then we just get the back piece, okay, and then you're just going to use some, it's like super glue style, because it needs to be attached onto this very firmly. Okay, so you see these rims here, okay, it basically sticks to the bottom part here, it lines up, so you can see that the inside of that rim, the bottom, goes onto the feet, just like that. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to pop some glue along the rim of the feet. Okay. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to get this, we're just going to pop it over and hold it. All this stuff dries pretty quickly. You just hold it into place. There we go. And then just lift it off so that the glue's not touching the paper. Okay. And then we're going to do the same for attaching this part onto here. So we're going to pop the glue onto here, and then we're going to put a dab of glue to the head so it pinches onto the hair. So same again, just pop some glue along the rim, and then a dollop up there, and then pick up your piece here. So hold the feet over, stick the feet down first, and then pinch the head part in at the top, and we just wait a few seconds for it to take. I mean, you could use hot glue gun, but I think the hot glue, where it will dry quite thick, it will bulge out too much. You can use like foam pads, foam dots. You can use those, or like I say, I'm just using just general Pritt stick, and then just, this is like a form of super glue, just for this part, because this is the part that needs to set really well. Otherwise it will not hold the egg into place. And then we're just going to wait for that to set. Just pop it down, and we'll just wait. And then we're just going to get our egg that we want to use. Okay, and then all you do is you just slot it in the side, in the hole, position it correctly, and there you go. That's how you make a cream egg holder. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys.